discuss this further.
Would you be willing to stop trying to bitch?
Step out of the car.
One decision in a school zone could have ended in tragedy. On February 10th, 2026, at around 2 p.m. during middle school dismissal in Pierce County, Washington, students were actively crossing under the direction of a crossing guard. That is when a driver ignored the guard's commands to stop and drove straight through the crosswalk, while the guard stood in the roadway and a student was attempting to cross. The entire incident was captured on school surveillance. What makes this case even more unusual, the driver recorded part of this himself, but it did not end there. On February 11th, deputies reviewed the video and established probable cause for the 34-year-old driver for reckless driving and driving while license suspended. When deputies later located the vehicle in the school bus loop and attempted contact, the driver refused to exit, forcing deputies to break the window and remove him from the vehicle. We now show the video from the suspect's phone camera.
Shut the up! There was no one crossing. Video. You tried stepping in the way of my car? Dumbass.
Here is the bodycam footage from the deputy's perspective. After locating the driver the following day in the school bus loop, the suspect refused to comply, and deputies used force to remove him from the vehicle.
You're being audio and video recorded, and you're under arrest.
For what?
Step out of the vehicle, and I'll explain it to you.
For what?
Step out of the vehicle, and I'll explain it to you.
Tell me your cause.
Reckless driving and 2 counts of driving suspended. Step out.
Oh! Yeah, no, that's not how that works.
That is how that works.
No, I did not reckless drive. I have it on video.
Okay, I need you to step out of the car.
Sir, get your supervisor.
I don't need to get my supervisor. I need you to step out of the vehicle.
You have no probable cause.
If you do not unlock the car
you are
and
acting,
step out of the vehicle,
you are acting based on a false report.
if you do not unlock the car and step out of the vehicle, I will break your window, okay?
You will break my window.
Yes.
And what is your cause?
I just told you.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Reckless driving and 2 counts of driving suspended. You are currently driving suspended.
Cause.
I watched you drive into the parking lot. You're driving suspended.
That is harassment.
That is not harassment.
It is actually.
Okay.
By
I'm going to give you one more
definition.
opportunity to comply with this, and then I'm going to break your window.
All right, let me call my wife.
Step out of the vehicle, and I will let you drive. Call your wife.
You'll let me drive. Call my.
I will let you call your wife.
Can you tell me the probable cause?
I just told you the probable cause.
Would you be willing to
Unlock the car.
Sir, would you be willing to look at a video?
Unlock the car, and we will discuss this further.
Would you be willing to
Step out of the car.
Oh, you're gonna be paying for that.
Okay.
Bro, how do I step out of the car if you're
Unlock
pulling me
the
through
car.
window? You're gonna be paying for that.
Unlock your seatbelt.
Stop trying to bitch.
Step out of the car. Hands behind your back.
You don't need to be so forceful.
Just comply. Yeah.
How am I not? I got out of the car. I stopped my recording. You know what? You know what Raz is? You have to tell me what gives you the cause. So what act gives you the cause?
1 minute.
I can show you on my phone video footage that proves that that is a false report.
Okay.
Come on. Where's your lights? Can I see that your cameras are on?
Cameras are on. I told you that.
Oh, you guys got a lawsuit on your hands. These guys have been harassing me since day 1 of school.
Have a seat.
I have a video.
You got anything on you that's going to stick or poke me?
No, I've got a video that proves.
This incident quickly escalated from a traffic violation to multiple criminal charges, including reckless driving, driving while license suspended, and resisting arrest. From a legal standpoint, ignoring a crossing guard in an active school zone with students present can meet the threshold for reckless driving due to the clear risk to human life. Once deputies established probable cause and issued lawful commands, the refusal to comply led to a forced removal. The male was booked into the Pierce County Jail for reckless driving, driving while license suspended, and resisting arrest. One decision in a school zone put lives at risk and led directly to this outcome. Before we wrap up, thank you for watching and supporting the channel. This is Texas Safety Watch. Stay aware, stay safe, and we will see you in the next case.